What's up, Peak Timers? We've got 5 different new Hot Wheels 5-packs. Let's go ahead, unbox them, and get a close-up look at the cars inside. Nightburners 5-pack. Nissan Skyline HT 2000 GTX. (2015) Mazda MX-5 Miata. Ford Escort Rally. Mad Manga. (1970) Chevy Chevelle. Fast and Furious 5-pack. (1967) Custom Mustang. (1970) Monte Carlo. Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Nissan Skyline GTR R34. (1969) Chevrolet Camaro. Hot Wheels Hot Trucks 5-pack. (2017) Ford F-150 Raptor. (2017) Jeep Wrangler. Custom 1962 Chevy Pickup. Dogzilla. Off Track. Hot Wheels Exotics 5-pack. Cadillac El Mirage. (2015) Jaguar F-Type Project 7. Porsche 911 GT3 RS. McLaren F1 GTR. Aston Martin V8 Vantage. Hot Wheels Wave Cravers 5-pack. (1955) Chevy. Shark Cruiser. Diora 2. 1965 Ford Ranchero. Quambi. In the comments down below, let me know which was your favorite Hot Wheels 5-pack that we opened today. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.